Hello friends, in this video we're going to look at know your rights, and this is with regards to a police stop. Now I recently had another video, TRINI police roadblock, in which I talked about being stopped by police. This particular location is in Port of Spain, Trinidad, an island in the Caribbean. And if you haven't, please do subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell and so forth. Please support my channel. I'm bringing to you this all free, and your support means so much to me. So there's a little bit of traffic here, and you're going to see why. It's because these police have pulled over this vehicle and stopped these young men. Now they're all innocent as far as I'm concerned until proven guilty. You can see the two police officers and the two different groups of young men there. In my personal observation, you're more likely to be pulled over if you're driving a PB series vehicle. That's an older vehicle. A vehicle like it can't pass inspection. You know, it's smoking. The tires look like they're going to give way or whatever. You have lots of modifications on your vehicle that you know you're not supposed to have, like you're riding too low or your blue lights. You're a young man or you're with a group of young men, or you're bareback or you're shady looking. All those reasons, in my personal observation, is reasons for police to pull you over. Now here's what police can really do. First, you have to understand this is not the USA, and stop watching the movies. The TTPS can stop and search you without an arrest if they have reasonable grounds. And they could check your driver's license, your permit, your insurance at any time. They could check your whole vehicle. They could check you and the persons in the vehicle. And if they see any item that they believe was involved in a crime or used for a crime, they could seize it. So those are the abilities of police officers in Trinidad and Tobago. Now there are things that you should know. The first thing is remain calm. I see people get on so ghetto when a police officer stops them. The police officer talks to them in a professional way, and they getting on like if the police officer trying to kill them. Just remain calm. Provide your driver's license, your permit, your insurance, and answer any relevant questions without being argumentative. But if you feel like something is happening to you that it shouldn't, just make a note, a mental note of everything that's taking place in case you need to go to the courts. So, you know, you do have your rights, and if it reaches to the stage that the police officer feels that you need to be arrested for a crime, then you have the right to be told the reason of your arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Well, I know you all get that from the movies a lot about remaining silent. You should at least provide your name and address, but you can remain silent and ask for your attorney and consult with your attorney about how to proceed. Of course, you also have the right to be brought before the courts in a timely manner. So it's not like they could arrest you and just lock you away forever. In this scene, you'll see another roadblock where police are pulling over cars for whatever reason. There's a lot of debate about whether police are justified in doing this. Let me tell you, this is a good thing. You want police to do their work, so I would support them. Remember, they are just humans too. They have good and bad days like all of us, but long as we all work together, things will work out. And if you feel for some reason the police or police officers are treating you badly and not working within their reasonable limits, then, as I said before, we live in a digital age. You can make a mental note, but you can also record on your phone. Don't necessarily put the phone in the face of the officer, but you can record. Your friends or people around you can also record what is happening, and later you can go before a judge. You don't need to get on wajang or try to assault the officer. Just take it to the courts. Tell me what you think in the comments area.